All right, I got my staircase prepped for staining. I have to do this job today because my foreman right there is constantly on the watch. So, yep, gonna get this job done today and make my foreman happy. All right, I started doing the staining using that stainer over there and sealant. That's pretty good. If you compare this side to this side, big difference. Okay, here's the floor, and here's the one I got so far. So yeah, pretty good. All right, just finished the staining. It looks a little bit red right now because it hasn't fully dried yet, but yeah, this is the finished product. So the finished product would be like brownish like this. So the top rails dried up because I did that first. As you see here on the side, I also did the bottom underneath. That way it's a comprehensive protection against water. So yeah, hard day's work and it's all good. One project down.